Hey everybody, this is Editing Mike. Apparently I forgot to do an intro for this video. So basically, here's a picture of my cat while I tell you what we're going to see in this video. Basically more metalwork. I removed the outer seal, took the floor out, did some metal fabrication on the inner wing. Yeah, so enjoy the video. Okay, we got the sill off. It doesn't look too awful bad in there. This little structural piece, I'm not 100% sure what it's for. It had a little bolt on the end of it, so I'm assuming it's for something for the shipping. So I don't know if I'm actually going to put that back on or not, but I only took half the sill off at the moment here. Let me back you up here just a little bit. But I only took half the sill off at the moment, only just to kind of keep the structural of the thing, because I don't have all this braced up. With the floor is longer than actually what I really need, so I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to cut it just before this center brace in here, and then measure it up to this one and actually cut this one to fit there, because I don't want to have to replace anything that I don't really have to. But it's not bad. This thing here is a little interesting to me. I'm trying to figure this out, because some of it comes up over top the actual door frame, which I gotta cut some of this back anyway for the A panel, but I don't want to cut too much off, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll bring you back whenever I figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Got the panel off for the floor. Don't ever let anybody ever tell you that this stuff is easy to do. Just that little spot weld area right there took me close to probably about 4 hours to do. But I've got it all cut back, all that stuff. My panel's right here. It's a Magnum. It's a little bigger than what that is, so I'm gonna have to adjust and cut this to kind of adjust what I need there, and then I'm gonna do a couple little trimmings and stuff like that. But the next thing I think I'm gonna work on is this little corner right here and get it repaired. I'll bring you back whenever we get it done. Alrighty guys, we're back. I ended up fixing this little lip right here, welded it in. Didn't turn out too awful bad. Getting better at welding, slowly but surely. Tomorrow's going to be tackling that piece right there. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video. Y'all have a good night. We're getting there slowly but surely.